welcome to our channel. Here I will start new series on Django REST framework. I will start with the basic and increase to advanced level step by step. Django REST framework is one of the most powerful web framework to build flexible and powerful API with the help of Python and Django. The complete series is based on project-based approach. So we'll start this series with the course content API basics, which will cover understanding of APIs and the REST API. Then we'll talk about serializer, which consists of model serializer, hyperlink model serializer. We'll cover these with the help of application. Moving ahead about the views. As we know that in a Django, there are two types of views, function-based and the class-based view. In the API also, we are going to talk about function and the class-based view. Then also we'll talk about view set and router, how we are going to route the application using this single URL. So these are all basic about the REST APIs. Then we'll talk about some advanced topic which consist of permissions. It consists of is authenticated, is admin user, is authenticated to read only or a custom permission. Moving ahead, next is authentication. There are different type of authentication which will be cover basic token and JSON web token authentication. After that, we'll talk about throttling. There are three different type of throttling we are going to cover. Then we are going to cover Django filter backend and pagination. Under filter backend, we are going to talk about filtering, searching and ordering, how we are going to use in the application. In the pagination, we talk about page number, limit offset, cursor. After that, we are going to do automated API testing with the help of third-party tool or a terminal or by using the application. So these all topics we are going to cover in this series. So we'll start from very basic and cover till the testing part to understand each and every concept. The prerequisite for this course is that you must have the knowledge of Python and Django. I will share a GitHub link in the description so that you can access all the content freely. If you want to learn REST API using Django, make sure do subscribe and hit the like button with no any cost. So stay tuned for the next video to start our journey. Thanks for watching this video.